So let's talk about the blueprints, which first you'll notice they are no longer blue. They used to be actually blue, more of a purpley color, because they were run through an ammonia machine. And in the really old days, they'd actually lay the drawings out in the sun, and the ammonia would copy the vellum drawings onto the bond paper. But now they're just basically printed with big Xerox machines. Another part about the blueprint is people always like to roll the drawing inside. That's actually incorrect for several reasons. One is when you roll it this way, that's why you put the title block on the end so you can read what drawing it is, or sheet or set of drawings when you have it all rolled up. And then blueprints are a set of drawings. Sometimes they're called contract documents, sometimes they're called construction documents, but either way, CDs convey a lot of different stuff. They convey information, how to build it. They convey the information on the design and materials that go into it. They convey to the city what you're doing for permitting. So the construction documents are multi-layered, multi-leveled, because they're communicating a lot of information to a lot of different people, not just the client, not just the subcontractors and the contractor, and not just the city. It's really all interlaced. And so that's why a set of documents really goes together from everything from the title sheet all the way down to the elevations and engineer drawings. The other important part of what goes into the construction documents is with Wolk 360, we don't just do the design in a bubble. That is to say, it's not just the architects and the engineers working on a design and working it with the client. We engage our subcontractors early in the process to get their input, whether it's on plumbing, whether it's on lighting, all that sort of stuff, because we want their input as we're putting the drawings together. Now I'll take you through them and we can take a look and see what's in them. All right, so in this set, this is a set for a renovation and addition. So sets go together very differently if it's just a renovation, if it's a renovation addition, if it's new construction. So for this set, basically you always have the title sheet. This is got some general notes and some general information for the city. And then the survey and site plan is basically what the city's interested in, to see how much impervious area we have, where's the existing, where's the new. So in this plan, we're showing the existing footprint and then the new footprint where we're adding on. And that helps delineate for the city, showing them the difference between the impervious area and existing and new impervious areas. So in this plan, we've got the existing site plan and then the new site plan. So you can see, again, the old addition, the old addition from the 70s, the existing house, the new addition, and the new area that we're adding to it. Then we've got foundation. So a set of plans works basically the site, some general information, and then you're basically, just like you build it, you're coming from the ground up. So foundation, the floor plan, the demolition plan showing what we took out, and then the new plan showing the new addition. So what we do is existing walls are shown solid, new walls are shown open, and then that way it's easy to tell when you're working in the field where's a new wall, where's an existing wall. Electrical layout showing the lighting, ceiling fans, and outlets. And then working up towards the roof plan, showing where the hips and ridges are. And then a bunch of structural notes for spans and loads for the framing. And then you come to the elevations, see what it's going to look like. This is usually the part that the owners always love. And then some structural details, some wall sections. So that basically covers a basic set of residential plans, but that's why you can't just look at one sheet. They all interrelate. So in some cases where you're looking at something on this sheet, this window, for example, you then want to see how it trims out in the elevation. Get to it. and then how it, so in the elevation, and then how it actually goes into the wall. There you go.